This our brother na for video and or leader Igbo youth movement. Igbo youth movement with that video with the Igbo na meeting about insecurity. The mother jebe akpọwa me na that video. We na-ekwu that na question me post to that video. This is the leader of Igbo youth movement. So you know about them. Go to his page, Justice Ozobi. You join the page, you register for your own community. You go anom na one of the WhatsApp group Kenda Anambra State. I know kwa die magom. Na togali kuche 112. The entrance is very hard. You feel no link here, just click here, but no. The entrance is very hard. You need to be examined very well, and you need to show proof you belong to that community. If not, we can be jazwaga. Now, kedi he menje with a video number sinketata. Nandi Adoration Enugu bia bobu yono. Yemenjiwe wete this kunu jena page ya kunu nene di abomono abolia. Yotago habia pale bia. When I took it, kezi ha ana pale this young man for. Owobolo maka post ome. He post ome that he wrote a letter to Reverend Father Ejike Mbaka. Kidi hoku na that post. The odds against Peter Obi at this election, the very, very high. And his chances of even winning third position, the very slim. That now, in my own opinion, Namikugona Peter Obi should leave this election for them. Kahazokone article, Nandia. Because na ego article we put for this election, Tinubu enwere I save na Tinubu acho yemanyaka na Nigerian pulse, we will ego. Article with sponsorship even from outside the country, even Arab nations, because again they have one agenda against Nigeria. Only one actually in Nigeria that is not vocal about the insecurity nation. Only go kwa dia. Oya continue even do to your person because the handshake na chata we no fuaba. Obologene in their bid of making money. Where is that alarm? Ndị mmadụ kpọwa me na like repeat obi. This our brother now. Last week something me. INEC na-achọ iwepụ NDC na political party so that Peter Obi should not run in this election. They only see Peter Obi as a threat. INEC is going as far as if na ha chọrọ register NDC so that even a ballot box that you will not see NDC poster or itila ha kana akwụkwọ. Also APC and others, all in the bid of removing Peter Obi. I even raised the alarm, sending mad because it is better than Peter Obi raise his own political party. Eba can no where. Ana come on, na no samogo, na mama rehenneku, nambe ewu nambonkozo. Kita what is playing before our very eyes. You don't need a man of God. This is something that the handwriting has already been written on the wall. It's time for you to sit down and decode what is this government is doing. This young man read this letter to Reverend Father Ejike Mbaka. Na scream kai solo gwa kuno malo nwezuku ihe warranty odem pali ana pali this young man. Owesi, dear Father Ejike Mbaka, reports are circulating across Nigeria that the current government led by President Bola Tinubu plans to deregister the NDC. I am writing to hear your voice on this because you have always been seen as a bold speaker of the truth in Nigeria. I do not understand why you seem silent whenever the truth concerns Mr. Peter Obi. If your previous statements were not influenced by personal bias against him, then now is time to speak, since the truth appears to favor him. I watched your video defending your last sociological positions. Nigerians are expecting the same courage and honesty from you again. Please speak the truth. Why are you mute? This was it. Could you hear the young man? Some of the things Reverend Father Ejike Mbaka and other related insecurity. Because we say government, governors accountable and other things. So the registering a political party, a few months, 5 months to election, has never been done in the history of Nigeria. And in this election, I'm how useless your PVC is. I'm not against you want to take your PVC. Man, for how useless your PVC are. Because the system has been designed to make sure that APC still continues. For system for how useless how useless your PVC is that very day. So say PVC Kibalulu, women passport, my bank, withdraw and all those things to identify you. Man, on that we look at now. So this woman is only calling Reverend Father just to gain in a they see no personal grievance against this guy. Okay, party on here. Why can't you now speak about it? It's a government nanka the Roma. What this man here? I shall couldn't need this for video. Kono no zi heme na kibazo. Kodekwan.
Ụtụtụ ọma ehihie ọma na anyasị ọma ebe ọbụla ị nọ n'ụwa niile. Ụmụnne m enwere post m mere few hours ago, let's just say yesterday night, when I was talking to Mbaka, asị m Mbaka ya biko ya kwuzie okwu gbasara this intimidation anaghị eme Peter Obi kịta. I didn't make that video so that people may start insulting Mbaka because onye akparizina Fada Mbaka, you understand? Onye Chineke tere mmanụ, I didn't enye support of my fans ịkparịba Mbaka ma ọkọjọbịa mba. I nwere ihe na-akpọ limitations of things. Hapụ Chineke, ọbụna Chineke ya bịa ọnụ moment nke gbasara nyanwa na Chukwu. Mana enwe ihe na-akpọ criticism. We criticize when people are wrong. Unu ya stop this habit of adorize mmadụ na Igbo. That is iji mmadụ mere echi na Igbo maka ọ na-adị too much. Anyị nọ na this country fuka every pastor so ọbụna si gbachisi nkịtị. Tinubu na-achọ ime one party system na Igbo na Nigeria. Na-achọ ime one party system so that also so nyanwa bụzi president ma presidential candidate. The same thing na-eme na Uganda, the same thing na-eme na Cotonou na ndị otu ka Tinubu na-achọ kwubu na Nigeria, and anyị niile nọ na-enye ekwuru nwere chọọ ikwu eziokwu. Obele protest asị ka eme dị other day Fada Mbaka pụta chọọ ihe ọ kọrọ ya kwuo ume ndị mmadụ bute division ya kwuocha ume ndị mmadụ na nyanwa bụ ihe o kwesịrị ekwesị. Okay, nke a na ha eme ka na trend nkịta gịnị jizi Mbaka ikwu okwu? Does it mean that the Holy Spirit support the suffering of our people? Or here can criticism? We ask questions because we need an answer to it. If you can't stand Mbaka Bewu, if you can't stand Mbaka Wonyala, if you can't Mbaki, as an initial from Mbaka, please can't stand Mbaka. Very simple something and very simple analysis. Obon Amputara Mbaka, fake man of God, Imagona kind of a thing. Okodi. Man, I'm only demanding for something. But let him also talk about APC name. Or the very certain. Let him talk about APC name. Open no watching the man on our and a call. When any APC name, he have good rules of sanction or ADC or Peter B. Porhan and Gar, Bata NDC, he group here, Gen Kawamadi Amer, on a Peter B. who right is election in Nigeria again. Maniga no ka Fada Mbaka kuluku na nkao ozuna assume there some group of boys or some people maybe report ni ha na Nigeria iya freedom Mbaka ya pụta di chow fi konia ona zilezi onuna da futia panye budidi shi n'obodo onuna da futa what is going on. Oh my spiritual director, spiritual director be here. Even Jesus born on was that now nobody is perfect so Chineke. Mbaka ada emetie bụ na ọda emetie eso na one of the people na defend Mbaka 247 no bụ na imam ọ bụ na the forum for initial time ihe amana mbụ number one defender and the fan of Fada Mbaka. But this is getting too much. Biko